G'day everyone. So we've got the SCORPCO Transformers knife. It is 4mm thick stainless steel with ball bearings in there, and it is smooth. Right, just falls down smooth. So we'll give it a test. We'll do some feathering, which I'm not very good at. This is not there. So this is basically just test to see how the edge is going to hold up. Handle's comfortable. There's no hot spots. Edge looks good. Good for drilling holes. And looks good. There's a bit of ruffle wood here. Alright, so we'll test, we'll do a test on the paper and see how sharp it still is. Doesn't need a sharpener, but it still does cut paper pretty well. So it's going to hold an edge for a while. All it's going to need is a strop. That was cutting through ridiculously hard wood. This has been dead for a couple of years, so she's extremely hard and dense wood. Still smooth. So yeah, I'll put a link in the description where to get one. And I'll catch you on the next video.